Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix your Wi-Fi issues on the Poco F8 Ultra. So first of all, start by opening settings. Now we have to open more connectivity options, and let's start from this simple reset of all network settings. So we cannot only reset Wi-Fi, we have to also reset mobile data and the Bluetooth. So basically all your connected Bluetooth devices will be disconnected and forget, and the same with the Wi-Fi. So we have to just connect one more time. Well, you have to click to reset the settings, input your current screen lock. Now click OK to confirm, wait for the few moments, and the reset will be complete. Now you will have to go back into your Wi-Fi options and connect into any network one more time. If it is not working for some reason, then I will simply recommend you to turn Wi-Fi off and on. I know it's super simple, but it often fixes a lot of issues. If it is still not working, then you can try to restart your phone. So you have to click and hold the power button and the volume down button, or volume up button actually, and you have to select reboot, then turn it on back. If it is still not working, you can try to select currently connected Wi-Fi network, and you can simply forget the network and connect into this network one more time. Now we can also try to go to the it was here. Yeah, we have to go for the more connectivity options and simply turn on and then turn off the airplane mode. You can also check for the VPN settings. Make sure that you turn off the VPN if you are using this one. And if you have still those issues, you can go into the battery settings and you can try to switch from battery saver mode or ultra battery saver mode to the balanced or performance mode. And right now you can also try to update software of your phone. So we have to go for about phone and go into the update button. Go for this one and simply get the latest software. As you can see, sometimes it can optimize some things like improve memory allocation and stuff like this, some graphic optimization. So I will definitely try to download the new software update. If it is still not working, if none of these steps help, try to restart your router or contact your internet provider for further assistance. Or you can also try to perform a reset of your phone. So we have to go into that about phone, scroll all the way down, factory reset, and erase all data, set up your phone one more time, and then try to connect to this network. This is all the steps that I can give you. If it is still not working, honestly, I'm not sure what is going on with your Wi-Fi connection. But let me know if it helps. I hope you find it useful.